Hi, my name is Bastian and my project is about Murray Gell-Mann. He was born in 1929, September 15th, in a small town called New York. His father was from a Hungarian Austrian descent, and Murray lived and grew up in the Great Depression of 1920s. When he was just 15 years old, he went to Yale University and got a Bachelor of Science. And later on in his life, in 1951, he got a doctorate at the MIT University in Boston. He won many awards and titled many degrees, but the most important one was in 1969 when he won the Nobel Prize of Physics for his work in element particles, such as the quark. As we have learned in past science class, atoms are built of three major elements: protons, neutrons, and electrons. As you can see in this image, in the middle there are a bunch of spheres which make up the nucleus. In the nucleus you will find protons and neutrons. In the outer orbits there are other spheres called the electrons. These electrons are known to man as the smallest building blocks in all matter. But Dr. Gell-Mann believed otherwise. Murray believed electrons, which are the smallest particle in all of matter known to man, were built of even smaller things. He called these things quarks. And what better way to explain the quarks theory but by the man himself, Murray Gell-Mann.
As a theoretician, I couldn't, I suppose, really discover new things, but I could propose them. And if they turned out to be right, you could call it a discovery in a sense. What I did was to propose that the neutron and proton were not elementary, as everybody thought, but were composed instead of smaller particles called quarks with some very bizarre properties.